Thank you for watching our tutorial. Over the course of the next few minutes, I'm going to share specific ways you can engage with employers on Handshake and make meaningful connections. Start by finding companies you like and clicking follow. To do this, log into your Handshake account and click Employers on the left panel. From there, you can either scroll to find a desired employer or use the search field at the top to type in an employer of interest. Once you find that employer of interest, simply click the follow button directly next to the listing. By following employers, you stay updated on new jobs, events, learn about the employer. Additionally, you can review feedback shared by other graduates. Plus, you start to receive recommended opportunities that match your interests and personalize your experience. If an employer allows messaging, don't hesitate to reach out. Simply open the employer profile and scroll to the People section. Select an individual listed to identify if messaging is allowed. You'll see a button like this one here if you can message directly with the employer. Here are a couple of examples of what a short professional note can look like. If you're just starting your job search, your message might be something like, "Hello, I'm," insert your name, "and I'm just starting my," insert your degree program. "I would love to work for Johnson & Johnson and would appreciate any suggestions on how to set myself up for success while I finish my program." If you find a position of interest, your message could be, "Hi, my name is, I'm interested in your," insert that position, "and would love to learn more about what you look for in strong candidates." Besides being able to connect with individuals and follow employers, Handshake lists virtual and on-campus events like info sessions, career fairs, and networking meetups. These events can be found within the specific employer's page via the Events section, as demonstrated here, or you can find all of the events listed on that left-hand panel. Attend these events to ask questions, learn about company culture, and make a great first impression. And here's a tip: follow up afterwards with a short thank you message. As Handshake's job board is tailored to our university and programs, you will see opportunities that are relevant to your major and interest. Before you apply, make sure your profile is complete and public. Employers often search for students by skills and experiences. A strong profile increases your visibility and chances of being contacted directly. You can review our tutorial on profile completion to get started. Lastly, don't forget to log in regularly. New jobs, messages, and events are added every day. Thank you for taking time to review this short tutorial.